Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today we have a brand new release from Konami. We have Legendary Duelists, The Rage of Ra. We got 2 boxes here for you to crack open, and we'll start us off here and let you know that I did watch the anime last night, so I think we could do with summoning the luck of the Egyptian gods to opening today. So, great beast of the sky, please hear our cry. Transform thyself from orb of light, and in thine packs find thyself tight. Grace our humble channel name, IATD TV, and first I shall call out thy name, Winged Dragon of Ra. There we go. So 2 boxes, 36 packs in each box, 5 cards per pack. No guaranteed hollows. Let's start us off. I think this is the first Legendary Duelist we've opened up on IATD TV, so that's a nice little milestone. And we start off with Brain Control, one of the most errated cards ever, holding arms. There we go. Haven't actually seen this card in person. Monster Reborn, Classic Marek, Mech Lord. And our rare is Cosmo Channeling for the Jinzo support. Do check out my video, Can We Talk About Jinzo for a Minzo, as we go through all of the new Jinzo support cards that came out and just review them, see how they look. And taking the Jinzo cards, Amplifier starts us off there, and Jinzo Returner, not a bad card if you're playing the strategy. Mind Control, good side deck option there in common. It's a good reprint for us. And then we go into the Resolute Mech Lord army. Another Mech Lord, more Mech Lords, Token Stampede, and a Wild Monster appears in rare. I've only seen that card in secret. That looks kind of cool as in a rare format. And we're on to our 4th pack now. And Token Stampede starts us off. Another Mech Lord. I like this guy. One of the coolest looking Mech Lord cards. And we're into our first super. Our first holo. Mech Lord Emperor Weisel, Synchro Absorption. And a Psychic Mega Cyber. I'm so disappointed this got the rare treatment and not an ultra rare slot in the set. Just because the theme Mega Cyber is one of my absolute all-time favourite cards. And we go for another Holding Arms. Can we get the legs? Another Mech Lord. Ooh, first ultra rare for us. Mech Lord Astro Dragon Triskelion. Kind of has a Chimera Tech feel to it. And we got another Brain Control hit. And Holding Legs, there we go, there's the Holding Legs. Makiura the Destructor. Does this have the errated text? Activate 1 trap from your hand this turn. Yes, we got the errata. Makiura is not legal anymore with its old effect. But I'm sure some people had some fun running around with that online. Jinzo. Common Jinzo. That's a weird sight. Does that artwork have any other printings other than Secret and Common? I know it has an alternate art in Ultra Rare. Does it come in anything else other than Common or Secret? Jinzo Jector, Ra's Disciple, Reboot, Mound of the Bound Creator for our rare. Ra's Disciple that we just recently had reprinted, and Law of the Cosmos is our 3rd holo and our 2nd super rare. And then we go into some more Mech Lords. Jinzo Lord, possibly the worst card ever made. Especially when you compare him to Jinzo himself. Oh, I missed that reactor slime there for our rare. Some more god support. Torn Jinzo, Token Sunday, Psychic Shockwave, Cyber Energy Shock. So another nice little piece of Jinzo support for the deck. I don't know, I might build Jinzos just to see how it looks. There we go. Damage the cards. Unless it's Jinzo Lord. Who cares if we damage Jinzo Lord? Millennium Revelation. You can send one Divine Beast monster from your hand to the graveyard. Add one Monster Reborn from your deck to your hand. Then send this card face up from the field to the graveyard. Lovely bit of Winged Dragon of Ra support there. And a card that lets you search Monster Reborn. Which, if you'd have told that to somebody 10 years ago, 15 years ago, that Monster Reborn would have a card that would make it searchable, they wouldn't have believed you. There's Monster Reborn. And a wild monster appears. 4 packs to go on the right hand side of the first half of our 2-box special. Another Mind Control, Metal Reflect Slime. Hopefully we can get that Egyptian God Slime to go alongside it. Holding Legs, Ra's Decide. Whoa! There we go! Now there's the Freezey Wheezey treat I was hoping to see. In the first box, the first half of the first box, no less. Egyptian God Slime. Now I have to say, not only do I have a deck that I want to play this in and have had a spot ever since this card was released, I adore cards from the anime that were essentially just plot armor that Konami have turned into real cards, like the Golden Castle of Strombo, one of my absolute favourite cards, and this guy coming up probably a close second for those plot armor special that have become real Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And just look, it looks absolutely fantastic. Egyptian God Slime, there's the Freezey Wheezey treat to start us off. Woohoo, what a box! What an actual box! Duragado. And another super. What's that, rare? Machiura. Our super is Mechlord, Army, Deployer, Obligato. Oh, that was a good start. Last pack on the right hand side. Have a Token Sunday, Chaos Infinity, Reboot, Metal Reflect. And we got, like I asked for, Metal Reflect Slime. I said, can we get that Egyptian God Slime to go with it? And oh boy, did we. And another Mechlord, Amplifier, Monster Reborn. And we're not short of copies of Wild Monster appears, are we, after a half and a bit of box. Metal Reflect. Skeel there, Duragado. Another Mechlord. Spell for Mechlord. Ooh, another Ultra. White Aura Behemoth. Very nice. I've got 3 Ultras so far, and one of them was the Chase card, so... Ooh, Left Arm Offering, that's a nice reprint. Brain Control. Keep that Left Arm Offering. I don't have any copies of that, and could definitely do with one. And then we're on to another Mechlord or two. Jinzo Returner. Psychic Bounder is our super. Very happy to see this guy as well. Love Reflect Bounder, that was an absolute card back in the day. And Psychic Bounder is a nice cool retrain. Monster Reborn. Some more Mechlords. Psychic Mega Cyber. Now we're just looking for that Ghost Rare Ra. And like I say, if we pull that, I'll probably have an aneurysm, but That'd get a few views, wouldn't it? And Token Sunday, Holding Arms, Cyber Energy Shock. And then another Mech Lord, Mind Control. And another Obligato. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holos out of this so far, which is pretty good. And Blaze Cannon for our Ultra, another one I'm very happy to see. Artwork is just fantastic. By the way, some of the cards that I pulled today will be up for sale on eBay. I do have a tried and trusted eBay account with 100% feedback, so I'll leave a link in the description below in case you want to purchase some of the cards that we pull in this video. I like to keep my stuff at a very reasonable price. Try and make the barrier to entry not price to everybody. So check out what we've got. We've got a nice little selection of stuff on this channel. On there right now for you to have a look at. Everlasting Alloy. And then Red Reboot. I almost said Red Reboot there. Cosmos Channeling. Durigado. Another holo. Mechlord Nucleus Infinity Core. 2 packs, 3 packs to go. Mechlords, Durigado, another Machiura. Reboot. Ho ho! Another Ultra, and one of the ones I wanted too. Jinzo, the the Machine Menace. That guy looks good. Very happy to see it. And our last pack of a box that has treated us really bloody well. Psychic Shockwave. And Mounder the Bound Creator. Right, let's get us started on our second box. So, let's go. We started on the right last time, let's start on the left this time. And we start with a Jinzo Jector. Holding Legs. Mound of the Bound Creator. No, Wild Monster appears, is what I meant to say. Metal Reflect Slime. Law of the Cosmos is our first super. And then we go into a Jinzo. Cyber Energy Shock. I've had a heck of a lot of fun opening this so far. I gotta say, Konami probably hit it out of the park, because I'm enjoying pulling a lot of these cards. The feel-good factor is definitely in this set. Amplifier. Mechlord Deflection. Another Mind Control. I think that's at least the third one we've pulled, so that's 3 decks worth of side decking we can do. Come on. Yield your contents. Durigado. The true name is probably the cheapest Ultra in the set, but a card that I don't have and I'm very happy to have. Raz Disciple. Psychic Bounder is a super rare for us there. And then we've got some more Mechlords. We've seen most of the cards in this set, so we'll breeze through them a little quicker. Mechlord, Durigado, Metal Reflect Slime. Then we go into Jinzo Lord, Mound of the Bound, Brain Control, another left arm, Token Sunday, another one of those Triskelions for that second Ultra. Oh, let's see that Ghost Rare Ra. Not in this pack. Millennium Revelation, nice holo. Holding Legs, Mound of the Bound, 3 packs on the left, and a Ra's Disciple, Makiura, this one's going to be difficult, there we go, Token Stampede, final left side pack, see what we can pull. And a Reactor Slime is our rare. 18 packs to go of what has been probably one of the most enjoyable openings. Mechlord Infinity Nucleus Core. And Mechlord Fortress. Psychic Mega Cyber. And Monster Reborn. Definitely haven't seen the same amount of holos out of this one that we saw the first box so far. And there is our next Ultra, White Aura Behemoth. And then we go for some more Mechlord cards there. Common Jinzo, a Mechlord Army Deployer Obligato, Jinzo Returner, and a Wild Monster. Can we find that elusive Ghost Rare Ra? We're running out of chances. And a Cyber Energy Shock. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs to go. Jinzo Lord. Ancient Charm. Nice that we haven't pulled that one yet, so that goes very nicely with our Blaze Cannon that we pulled. Mind Control. And this one's going to be difficult. And a return of that. On the last stretch of packs, we start with a Duragado. A Synchro Absorption there, another one of those. Holding Arms. Reactor Slime. And there we go for that one. Down to 3 packs to go. We've got a Mechlord. Guardian Slime, fantastic. That's probably just about every Ultra Rare in the space of 2 boxes. I don't think I'm missing much. If not, we got pretty blooming close with just 2 boxes to pull just about every Ultra Rare the set has to offer. I mean, we didn't get the Ghost Rare Ra, but... And then Mechlord Assembly to finish off our boxes. Well, that was an interesting opening. I thoroughly enjoyed that. We got some great cards that we can show off today. We pulled some of the best ultras in the set. We got the Egyptian God Slime there. Fantastic. We got the Blaze Cannon Ultra. Got the Ancient Chant. The Jinzo Ultra. And the Guardian Slime late on. So let me know down in the comments what cards you're looking forward to out of this set. Is there any of the Mech Lord stuff perhaps, or are you looking more for the God stuff? I'd be interested to hear what your thoughts are on the set. And like I say, do check out the link in the below if you want to buy any of the cards that we pulled today. Some of them will be for sale on my eBay store. And without any further closing, IATD TV is signing off. Peace out.